Hey everyone, Nike here. Today I have with me smart headband headphones, and these are by Hakii and they're called the Hakii Mix. These look quite interesting, so let's check it out. So these are the Hakii Mix smart headband headphones, and these are designed for use during workouts, running, walking, fitness stuff people do. Dare to innovate. Hakii have some really unique designs. I have reviewed the Hakii Wind earlier, which are sunglasses with speakers in them. Live my sound, make sports smart. These are really targeting the fitness-centric demographic. We have the features listed on the back here, which we'll be looking at one by one. Unseal and open the box. And which way do I open it? It slides out like so. And here are the headphones. Start your adventure. Same on the other side. And we have the Hakii logo in the center. Let's move the headphones to the side. The box contains the charging cable and an organizer bag. This is the bag, and here's the USB-C to USB-A charging cable. We have a manual included. Now for the headband. Something's missing. Oh yeah, the headband. It won't stay on without any elastic, and the other box holds the headbands. Wow, looks so nice, and there are two provided. I have the blue version here, and the Hakii Mix is also available in black. One short and the other a little longer to allow fitting more heads. The bands have L and R marked on them, so attach appropriately. Here's the right side. And now the left. It can stretch like so for a tight fit. Magnets keep it in place too. And we have these tags which slot into the headphone to keep it in place. We have a LED on the side which would indicate the current state, power on off, ready for pairing, etc. We have a power button and a speaker on the left top, and below we have another speaker and a charging port. And on the right we have another speaker and volume buttons and a speaker below too. We have a Hakii branding on the back and Mix written within. Pairing the headband is quite easy. Turn it on and we can see the LED blinking between blue and red really fast. It's in pairing mode. Select the Hakii Mix from the Bluetooth settings in your phone and it's connected. Now it stays blue. The Hakii Mix uses Bluetooth 5.3 and working distance is estimated to be around 15 meters, but I generally have my phone within a few feet. Let's see if the small band works for me. Nope, it's too tight. I need the larger headband. Now it fits properly. This is how it looks when it's on your head. Make sure to align the speakers below a little before your ears. This allows the sound to reach them easily. And the headphones weigh around 90 grams, so it will not put too much strain on your head. Audio codecs supported are AAC and SBC. We have these H LEDs on the sides. Very nice. I'm playing music on my phone and the audio is clear. No jarring in the sound where there's bass. I like that it doesn't need to be jammed into or over your ears. It's quite comfortable. And the sound is pumped out through 22mm extra large drivers. Audio is surprisingly clear, not loud but clear, and the bass has the right feel. Instrumental music, classical instrumental music sounds really good too. This is all in a quiet room, but with loud noise outdoors, the audibility would go down. Being open-ear headphones, you can hear all the sounds around as they are not blocking your ears. Very important when you're walking or running outdoors. When at max volume, there will be sound leakage, but not too much. There are dual mics for noise cancellation, which helps with taking calls, and battery life is estimated to be around 8 hours. And don't worry about sweat damaging these headphones as it has an IPX5 rating. For media controls, use the power or multifunction button for playing and pausing audio. Press and hold the volume up button to go to the next track. Press and hold the volume down button for previous track. The Hakii Mix smart headband headphones are quite comfortable to wear and allow for working out with ease as nothing is blocking your ears and you're aware of your surroundings. IPX5 rating would provide resistance against sweat and slight rain, but nothing heavy I feel. 8 hours of music playback and a charging time of 1.5 to 2 hours is great. A 5-minute charge gives you around 1 hour of playback. The audio quality during calls is also very clear. Sound does leak during playback, especially when set to max volume, but is quite controlled. I honestly would like more volume, but the sound is really clear even at max. The headphones can connect with any Bluetooth compatible device, so you could also use it with your TV. These can't beat the quality of regular headphones, but if you want a pair of headphones that allow you to move comfortably, not stuff the drivers into your ears, and also have water resistance, especially for long workouts, these will do the job. Your ears will also thank you as nothing is pressing down on them. A link to the product can be found in the description if you'd like to pick one up for yourselves. So what do you guys think about the Hakii Mix? Do you use something similar, or would you consider getting one for the features it provides? Make sure to comment below. Also make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.